Hello and welcome back to this session. In this session, we are going to talk about what is update statement and how to use it in MySQL Workbench. So before going into running some queries, let's understand what is update statement. Update statement is used to update the data in an existing table. So if you have a table which is already existing in the database and you want to change the value of a particular column from that table, then you are going to use update statement. That is nothing but to update the existing data of the table. Second point is update statement can be used to update values for multiple columns in the table. So it is not just that like you can update only one column, you can update more than one column values in the table. Third point is update statement can be used to update single row or multiple rows at once based on the condition specified. Okay, so now having said these points, let's start and see how we can do the update on the table. So let's do the select star from employee. This is my table which I am using. So let's see what data we have in this table. Okay, so we have 10 employees and we have 5 columns. So let's write the command to update the data of this table. So say update, table name is employee, and then we need to use the keyword set, and suppose that I am changing the salary of an employee. So I'm going to say update employee set emp sal. This is my column name, equal to, I'm saying that I am changing the salary to 90,000. Okay, and then I need to mention which employee salary I have to update. So we must give some where clause, that which row you want to update, or you must give some condition that which set of rows you want to update. So we have to be very careful with the correct where condition. Okay, otherwise if you do not have a where condition, this value of employee salary will get updated to all the employees. So I want to update the salary of an employee ID. So this is my employee ID column, equal to, I'm saying that I want to change the salary of employee 103. Okay, give a semicolon and run this query. Okay, one row affected. So now let's go back and check the salary of employee 103. So you can see here the salary of an employee earlier was 75,000 and now it has changed to 90,000. Okay, now let's try to run the query for more than one column. So just to save time, let's copy this query, paste, and then let's say that I am changing the salary to 95,000, and then if you want to update the value of more than one column, then you need to give comma here. Let's say that I am changing the department ID. So our department column name is emp dept id. So equal to, let's say I'm giving 202. Okay, now I'm changing the department of an employee 202, and again I'm changing the salary to 95,000. Okay, I just want to keep the employee ID as 103 only. So earlier query was to just update the employee salary one column, but in this we are updating more than one column, which is two columns. So if you have multiple columns like 3, 4, 5, you just go ahead and keep writing the column names with a new value separated by comma. Okay, so right now we'll just go ahead with updating only two columns. So you can see here for this employee, department ID is 201 for 103 employee and salary is 90,000. So now if you execute this, one row affected, Now let's see. You can see the department ID has been changed to 202 and employee salary is 95,000. So like this, you can update the value of one column or more than one column using update statement. I hope update statement is clear, and we'll meet in the next session.